data has vast and versatile capabilities. It can provide information and insight into almost anything in a variety of industries and environments. At Nakala Analytics, we appreciate the potential of big data. We provide machine learning and AI solutions to companies that have the data, but they lack the capacity to generate insights from that particular data. Our vision is to become the most valuable data analytics partner in Africa and beyond. And our mission is to bring innovation and creativity in the management of any business. In summary, our services are data audit for data science. We also do data visualization. We do machine learning. And we also do data science training and workshops such as this.
Then the question that comes in is that really the big data is, okay, makes sense for us, data makes sense for us, but then there would like to be something that gives data the privilege that probably cannot use the data you're not able to achieve. And that has to do with giving you a competitive advantage. Target is able to do a better personalized marketing and advertisement because they know their customers to personal level.
When you look at businesses, the lag information, the data which we have existing is our lag information. And it is telling us from the initiation of this business to date, if we've made this much, this is what we have done so far. Should we keep on doing it the same way we've been doing it, or do we need to change?
The major objective of this workshop, unlocking the potential of big data, is to help the participants develop a business analytics strategy to guide business innovation and decision-making process.
Big data is the key driver of innovation in the 21st century. So, as for me, what I know and what I've learned today is big data can help give you some qualitative insights into consumer behaviors, into the data that you have as a company, so that you can be able to formulate products and solutions that suits your consumers or even that suits the country better.
I can say from this workshop, I've been challenged. I have so much data in my organization which I've not made good use of it. So going back to my organization, I'm going to analyze this data and make good use of it. So it's a challenge I'm taking on.
Data is actually the new oil, and the future of businesses and for all the operations have to follow up and live by the data. Because you see, there is need that when you are targeting a customer or when you are focusing on promoting a business, then you are doing an advertisement or you are providing operation that is specific and customized to the customer needs. And so then for you to achieve that, the data becomes a very important component. So moving forward, I think all business operations and every other activity, including even academia and the industry, data becomes a very fundamental core and tool, yes.
So obviously companies can get access to a lot of data from their customers, so they can be able to use this to analyze on user statistics or usage statistics, and also improve on customer experience. So through big data, they can also be able to do customer segmentation, which can help them launch services and products where they are needed most.
Using big data, many large organizations can improve their business process and reduce the cost. They can analyze large and new data sources pretty quickly to come to a faster and better decision making. And lastly, they can gauge customer needs and launch new products and service in the market at the shortest possible time.
Okay, big data is pretty much large, and almost every multinational company moving around the world is actually using big data to facilitate all their processes, structures, procedures, service delivery, and every scenario or functions of a business being delivered so that they can achieve maximum customer satisfaction and eventually attain profitability. So in a nutshell, big data is becoming more of a necessity than just an additional equipment or facilitation for a business.
Okay, big data, there is more to it and there's still more to come. That is why jumping on the big data train now is as good a time as any. With the many case studies, statistics, industry intelligence, definitions, all at our disposal, there is no reason why we cannot implement big data for our future decisions. And it is not expensive, it is not expendable, it is not exclusive.
So unlocking the potential of big data will give the business leaders capability to connect their strategic questions, to answer the most critical questions, to respond to the business pain points by looking at data and forging ahead. So what does this mean? It will empower business leaders to understand the critical skills that are required, to understand how to organize their data and how to position the business for future success. As Nakala Analytics, we are the biggest pool of big data science professionals in Africa, and without doubt, we are leading this space by bringing the big data conferences and professional high-level workshops to you.
This workshop is very important because from now, the way we are going to do things is going to be very different. We got a lot of insight from this workshop, which means a lot of things that we learned today we are going to basically implement. So from today, we are going to make sure that when we go back to our various organizations, that we actually implement what we have learned here, which will go a long way in our organizations to come to
Really invited my other colleagues to come and attend this workshop, because the good thing with data, it's not necessarily for one department, it is for all departments. So I would highly recommend this training.